In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell on Plus500. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to find something you want to sell. So you want to go to the Trade tab over here on the left, and you want to find whatever you want to sell. Now, over here under Popular, we have Bitcoin, so I'm just going to go with that right now because the markets are always open for Bitcoin. And as you can see, if I were to show anything else, the markets are currently closed because it's a Saturday. So I'm going to click on the Sell button over here, but when you click on your asset, it's going to populate the chart, and then the sell button is available over here as well next to your buy button. So whichever one of these you click on, it's going to open the exact same panel over here on the right. Now in here you can select how many contracts you want to sell. So I'm going to go 0.005 for example. Then you have the option to close at profit, you have the option to close at loss, and then here you have the advanced, which allows you to basically enable a trailing stop, or you can basically sell when a rate is, which is like a limit order. Okay, so as you can see here, it's going to explain what this is. So it will basically automatically open a position once the rate reaches or surpasses this specific value. So I'm gonna just click on the sell button over here, and that's all you have to do to create a sell order on Plus500. So that's how you sell. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.